Hello folks, we come to the part 2 video of the exercise 7.3 and we'll continue with the problem number 4. We had finished with the problem number 3. What does it say? Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with no digits repeated and find how many of them are even. So the numbers that are available to you is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have to form 4-digit numbers. It's quite simple. 5 choices and 4 places can be done in 5p4 ways. In the next subpart, they ask us to show when all it will be even. That we will take up as it comes. So, for the first subpart, for the 4-digit numbers, there are 5 choices. So, therefore, number of ways of forming it. It is 5p4 formula we have learned n factorial by n minus r factorial. 5 minus 4 factorial is 1 factorial, which is 5 factorial itself. Yesterday's class we had learned that 5 factorial is 120. We are learning if possible till 10 factorial. If we can learn, very good, our calculations will become really fast. That's about it. In the second subpart, they ask us to find out cases where it will be even. So, if it has to be even, only the ones place has to be taken care of. That means the ones place could be filled only by 2 or 4 if it has to be even. That means we've got 2 choices. So, for the remaining, out of the 5, 1 has got filled. So, there are 4 choices available and 3 places. So, they can be filled in 4p3 ways. So, it is 4p3 into 2. That is your final answer. So, that's how we'll go about it. For getting even numbers, the ones place can be filled by 2, 4. Therefore, number of ways of filling it is 2. Having done this, there are 3 places available and 4 choices. So, therefore, number of ways of filling those places is 4p3. One work done in m ways, the other work done in n ways. Total way of number of ways of doing it is m into n. So, like that you can have it multiplied. So, you will have therefore required number of 4-digit numbers. Numbers is to start with 2 into 4p3, and 4p3 means it's 4 factorial by 4 minus 3, 1 factorial, which is 4 factorial itself, and 4 factorial we know it is 24. Yeah, it's 24. So, we have 48. So, the number of even numbers that will happen will be 48. That was our 4th problem. Let's come to the 5th one, see what it says. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming that one person cannot hold more than one position, like no repeats, that kind. There are 8 people available. From the 8 people, you have to choose 2 people. One is the chairman, vice chairman. From 8, you have to choose 2, 8p2, right? When we take p, all that repetition thing is taken care of. So, this can be done in 8p2 ways. We can say that from the 8 people, 2 distinct people have to be chosen for the 2 posts. Have to be chosen. So, therefore, number of ways of doing this is 8p2. 2. Solving this means 8 factorial by 6 factorial. 8 minus 2 is 6 factorial, and that way this is 6 factorial into 7 into 8. So you can have that cut. You have 7 8s are 56. So the number of ways of doing this is 56. That's our fifth problem. Once that is over, we can quickly come to the sixth one. And in the sixth one, they say that find n, where they have given us a condition. Find n if n minus 1 P3 is to n P4 is 1:9. Ratio basically means division only. So let's have this P definitions, and this means that n minus 1 P3 by n P4 is 1/9. This is what we mean. We know that, or given that. We can start like that. This is given that this happens. So let's apply the formula. N minus 1 factorial by n minus r factorial. That means n minus 1 minus 3. So n minus 4 factorial. So this is n minus 4 factorial. In the denominator, n factorial, n minus r factorial. So n minus 4 factorial is 1/9. Amongst the ratios, we have learned that numerator can cut each other, denominator can cut each other. So these two denominators, they can cancel each other. We are left with n minus 1 factorial by n factorial equal to 1/9, out of which we also know a property here that writing n factorial is as good as writing n minus 1 factorial into n. As a result, this can get cut. Then you can have it going crisscross, and you therefore have n as 9. So in this question number 6, get the value of n as 9. That's all in this video. With the remaining problems, come to the next video. Thank you.